Welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to do a flip through of this 6x6 chipboard mini album that uses the Tulla and Norbert Excellent Adventure packs. These are from Photoplay. I can link them below. They are super cute. This is the, I guess, standard pack, and this is the pack which is 12 by 12 obviously, but it has 6x6 sections in it. So you usually just cut it apart and you have some 6x6 pages rather than having this smaller 6x6 book. So I created this album and as a full tutorial and was trying some new kind of setup to see if I could get better sound in the video, throughout the video. So I tried a couple things. I set it up. I did a test, which is this clip right here. Okay, I'm trying to adjust some things for sound quality. And that is the last of the tutorial that has audio. So I am going to be doing an overdub or a narration of that voiceover. But I thought I'd just go ahead and do the flip through now. And if you're interested in how I created it, you can also check out my similar project, which is using the Family Night Cartabella pack, and I can link that video below as well for that tutorial. Okay, so this album is very simple. It takes pre-cut 6x6 pieces of black chipboard and uses 6-inch by 1-inch black cardstock strips and to make hinges, and then all of the pages kind of go in. And so let me take you through it. So this is a pack. I don't know if you're familiar with Tulla and Norbert, but they are a Photoplay family of gnomes that just have some really cute graphics that go along with the different sets. They have a crafting set and you know, some other seasonal themed sets. And this one is the summer set. It's called Excellent Adventure. And so it has some silly things here. This is a section of one of the 6x6 pages that I have in the back of the cover. I'm trying to make my covers, the backgrounds just a little more plain so that I can embellish them and not make it too busy. So I went ahead and used this one, and so it looks like a sun, of course. And we have our gnome with the flamingo and the watermelon and a line of flip-flops that I assume are drying off, and a sticker down here I put Good Day Sunshine, and this little sticker that is kind of signifying grass has little pinwheels in it, and you'll see pinwheels throughout the collection, and so you'll see them throughout these pages. So here's the next page, and I tried to put a pretty plain first pages in so that if you are featuring a specific trip or season, you can put like a highlight photo here, maybe of the whole family, or, you know, calendar page with dates of the trip or whatever it is. And then this sheet is one of the 6x6 as well, and it is just a lot of the gnomes in the water, and you'll see that there's a little mermaid. And this page shows up in the regular 12x12, so the larger images, in just a second. And this is that page with the little pinwheels. Here we have another, which is maybe beach scenes that are not in the water. So It has a little scooter, some flip-flops, some floaties, and beach ball, and I think this is sunscreen. Do gnomes need sunscreen? And then some fruits and other things that are throughout the collection. This page is one of the trifold pages I did, and you can see that my margin is a little off here, but if your margins are off in an album that you give to someone and they say something, then that's a problem. It's a problem that they say something. So basically I just took 5 by like 6 pages here, and I scored it. So I scored both of these so they have a little hinge. I glued them on the page, and then I glued this background page over those hinge strips. In a perfect world, you wouldn't even see it would kind of line up right next to where they're scored, but I don't mind it. And then I just put a Summer Days sticker here. Next page is the stripes. Just have a beach ball and a flower sticker here, and here is the orange design, and I made a pocket. So this pocket is a piece of cardstock that measures 6.5 by 3 1/4, and I just did a 1/4 inch score here, a 1/4 inch score here, and a 1/4 inch score across the bottom. And when I folded them under, I put the glue on those little folded pieces and made a pocket. And so here are some of the cut apart cards. They're super cute. They have little flamingos on the back. And so this one says Summer Memories. And then I just put a couple of the other ones in here that could be used kind of for anything, for notes or for photo mats, or, you know, they can also, of course, be glued down onto a page. This page is lemons. Lemons are like everywhere the last, I don't know, season of paper designs. I see them a lot and I love them. I am addicted to lemonade, and I why I told you that. You don't really need to know that. So here's a little pinwheel sticker. This is one of the bigger cut aparts. This one says Good Times, and it's got the 3 gnomes. Oh, is there something else in here? It sure is. Oh, there we go. There's another tag here. So, put that in there. This page is another piece of what was on the cover, and then I just put some sunglasses there. And this is my waterfall page. So basically these little pieces are 4 by 4.5. And I scored a 1/2 inch and folded it, and those little 1/2 inches are just glued onto the page in sort of in the middle, and folded over. And then so you can see this entire page. This next one with the lemons is just butted up right against it in the same manner. There's that little hinge part, and so I was able to get 5 mats here. So that it's still, like, it could line up and you could see the different designs, but you can still see the bottom of the page. It didn't end up going over. So this is that little tab label that says flip-flops. Here we have watermelon sheet and this lemon sticker, and this sticker says Life is a Beach. And then we have another pocket and a couple of the cut aparts. This one says Pool Party, and this one says Fun and Sun, or Sun and Fun. It's another sheet that I didn't do anything to, in case any larger pictures can be adhered down, or, you know, large receipts or things like that can go there if you also collect ephemera. Another waterfall page, some of the little flamingos. So this one is one from the 6 by 6, the 12 by 12 pack that has the 6 by 6 designs. Here's another trifold page. This one, oh, it's sticking. No, there it goes. is it's sticking. So I'm going to go ahead and burnish this so that it folds cleanly there. And then here is another pinwheel, windmill. What are those things called? Am I calling it the right thing? I don't even know. But that's super cute. Another lemon sheet, and then watermelon, and of course, so it's just to kind of round out our fruit theme, and the pineapple sticker, which was kind of random because I didn't really notice pineapples anywhere else but on the sticker sheet. Here I just put a little one of the stickers to make a little margin, and this sticker says pool party, and then the last page here says, or has two cut aparts, one that is a watermelon on a stick and a couple gnomes on a scooter with a surfboard. I don't know if that's safe, but that's just me. So you see I have still some fuzz here from when I was gluing the pages down. And then there's the back cover, which is the flamingos. So there is my album. I also have this page on the spine. The front covers, for whatever reason, with the black chipboard, I like the way that they look with the little kind of mat of the chipboard behind the pages. So I did all 3 pages that way. Thanks for watching my flip through of this album that I tried to do a tutorial on. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel because there'll be plenty more. If you're interested in Tulla and Norbert's Excellent Adventure, the links are below, and you can see a similar tutorial for this 6x6 book in a link below the Family Night tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.